I think my biggest piece of advice is to use one of these. First impressions, it is, I think one of the only problems I've seen with it is that this has always been a mess and a hassle. I don't look forward to using my hose. Over here I have the Vego hose reel that is all unpacked and ready to go. I just need to get installing it, and I want to show you how I am going to go about doing that. Oh, but honestly, I think this is going to be a game changer. I'm going to test it out for a few days and let you know how I like it at the end of the video. So first, after I removed my old hose holder and all the old hose, I was able to grab the Vego hose mount. And this is kind of where it first started, of just making sure it was lined up and drilling some preliminary spots so I knew where I would need to drill large holes. The required masonry drill bit did not come with this set. I only had a small one, and so I made do with that, but I definitely wouldn't recommend because it took me a long time to get the holes to size for the plastic anchors. I ended up even breaking one of the plastic anchors, and there were no extras, but actually with half of it getting stuck in there, it did just fine and held super strong, even though I did break half of it off. From there, I was able to screw it in with my drill with my Phillips screw head, but I quickly stripped these screws, which was really unfortunate. Luckily, I could see that I could use my socket wrench, and that worked wonderfully and saved me so much time. And once that mount is on, really the hard work is done. From there, it's just connecting the little connectors and the spigots together, which probably took me 2 minutes when referring to the installation guide. And from there, I was able to lift this whole thing up myself and set it onto the mount with no problems. Luckily, it swiveled around just fine. And from there, I was able to connect it up to the water source with no issues. Okay, I am so excited now. It's finally time to test it. Took me a long time, mostly because my drill kept dying. I think my biggest piece of advice is to use one of these, like a socket wrench thing, because otherwise I was just stripping the screw, and so this was a lifesaver. Anyways, let's test this out. Ah, yeah. This is gonna be so nice. That is strong too. Okay, just for fun and just for you as a viewer, I got the 150-foot hose. I'm gonna see how far it can go. That back fence is the back of my property. Let's see if it can make it there. Literally makes it to the back of my property, and I can see there's so much more hose to go. I think our yard is about 10,000 square feet. So if you have a yard of a similar size, it's going to do amazing for you. And honestly, if you have a bigger yard, there is still a lot of hose to work with. Okay, so I know I've said that I already love it, but I want to give myself a few days, if not a week or more, just to see how it goes using it throughout my yard. And I will give you an update then, but first impressions, it is so nice. It does pop out quite a ways off the wall, perhaps like an arm's length off the wall, so just be expecting that when you get it. But it's quite strong, it's quite sturdy. But anyways, I want to use it for a while and just see if I continue to love it and use it as much as I'm loving it right now. Okay, I've been using this bad boy for a few weeks now, and I just want to give my updated thoughts. Okay, so first thing, I still love it. That has not changed from the first part of the video I made. So I actually just started seedlings, and watering them has always been one of my least favorite chores, but it's something that I had to do. This makes it fun. This makes it so easy and fun. One thing that I am going to change about using this hose reel is that it is in full sun, and that is something that is not recommended. So I'm actually going to string up a shade cloth so that it does get a lot more afternoon shade, because we get some really intense sun, and that is definitely something I knew putting it in and knew that I would need to fix so that the plastic doesn't corrode over time. And I think the only regret I have with this Vego garden hose reel is honestly that I did not get it earlier. Like I said, I just look forward to watering things now. It is so nice. And lastly, I think one of the only problems I've seen with it is that my kids like to play with it. So if you do have children, take some time to let them know how it works, how to use it without breaking it. That is definitely something I've had to do with each of them, to not just let the hose go and let it whip back in, and how to use it safely so that this thing will last us for a long time. But with that, all I can really say, if you're a gardener, if you are looking something to kind of change the game and make your life easier for you, this would probably be my top choice of something that changes the game for anyone with a yard, really. I've been absolutely loving it. And if you want more content that revolves houseplants and gardening and things that are helpful in that realm, feel free to subscribe. I'm always trying to come out with videos that are helpful to you as a fellow gardener and a fellow houseplant lover.